Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another training video. Today episode is going to be about win-loss ratio, why entry is so important, and how this affects your win-loss ratio. So here I have an example of 10 trades. Let's say we placed 10 trades at a 4-to-1 win-loss ratio. So 25 pips stop loss, looking for 100 pips. Okay, if you traded just 4-to-1 win-loss ratio, then this would be your outcome. Okay, you could lose way more than you win and still gain huge amounts of profit for a week. Let's just say you took 10 trades last week and the only trades you took were the ones that were 4-to-1. Okay, let's say you lost 6 based on 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss, 4 loss, 5, and 6 losses. But our losses are limited to 25 pips. Okay, 4-to-1. Our wins are 100 pips. 1 win, 2 win, 3 win, 4 win. So that's a loss of 150 pips. That's a gain for our 4 winners, 6 losses, 4 winners, of 400 pips, which is a total profit of 250 pips. Okay, you could change the game here. You could make this, if this was 50, and this was still remaining 100, that's 2-to-1. So you just cut everything in half. So now if you had 6 losses, let's just do the math here. 6 times 5 is 300. Okay, this number would be 300. Still a gain of 400, which means you'd still, at a 2-to-1 ratio, have 250 pips of profit. This is why making sure that your entries are at the highest point possible, or your entries are at the lowest point possible. That way you don't have a very large stop loss. If you were to have a very large stop loss, your win-loss or risk-reward ratio would not be very good. Because if you have a 100 pip stop loss and you have a 100 pip gain, you are at a 1-to-1. Which means if you lose 5 out of 10, you break even, which is not fun. So when you're looking for trades, we're not just looking for something that looks like it's going the other way. We want to catch the very highest point. That way our stop losses are very small and our entries are perfect and our gain is 2, 3, 4, 5 times what our risk is. You have to make sure you know what your stop loss is and that it makes sense there. And you have to know where the possible exit points are and can you get there. If you can't, your win-loss ratio is going to be off. Your 10 trades are going to be off. Stick to 2 and above. The minimum I do is like 3. But, if I see a good 2, I'll take it because I know I can win 4 out of 10, still be profitable for the week. I don't need to make $1 million. I just need to be higher as a percentage as I was last week. Keep this in mind when taking trades, guys. Follow these tactics and you will win more money than you lose every week, even though you lost more trades than you won every week. Keep that in mind. Safe trading. See you guys in the next video.